What's the meaning of cluster bomb? Cluster bomb. Cluster bomb.
Cluster bomb. Cluster bomb. A cluster bomb is a type of explosive weapon that releases smaller submunitions or bomblets in mid-air. These bomblets are designed to disperse over a wide area, causing damage and destruction over a large radius. The use of cluster bombs can result in significant collateral damage, as unexploded bomblets can remain on the ground and pose a danger to civilians for years after the attack. They are banned under international law due to their indiscriminate nature and harm to non-combatants.